Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video, and today I'm going to show you how you can clean stainless steel using only olive oil. Let's get started. First, I'm going to get a clean cloth. I like to use terry cloth. This is an old washcloth. And you're just going to wet it with some water, and you're going to go through and just gently wipe down obvious food spills, actual dirt built up or whatever that you might have on your stainless steel. So this is my dishwasher, so it gets a lot of traffic. So I'm going to go through here, and I'm just basically just cleaning off what has dripped on here. Okay, once I'm done with that, did that sufficiently enough. Let's get sticky around here. Little sticky fingers come through and turning it on, turning it off. Okay, but it's the holidays and we don't want to show too much of the craziness going on with our appliances. Okay, so I'm going to let this air dry for just a brief moment. While it's air drying, I have here basically a lid from some yogurt, and I am pouring just a little bit of olive oil on here for this demonstration. Okay, so I'm going to put this olive oil right up here, and I'm going to get another clean cloth. Now, as this is drying, I don't know if you can see it. I'll bring the camera up a little bit closer. Let's see if you can see. But there are just markings, it's not as smooth and clear as I would like it to be. There is some drip stains, just water marks, fingerprint marks. It's not as clean as I would like it. I hope you can see that. I don't know if it's coming across as well, but anyway, get yourself a clean cloth, dab it in the olive oil. Okay, there we go. And then just go along your stainless steel. And what this oil does, it's amazing, but it basically brings your stainless steel back to that new slick look that you got when you first got your appliances. Like there's a little bit of food here, so as I'm going through, see a little marks that I might have forgotten the first time, so I come through with my water. I go through here. Okay, there. Then I just go back over it, and then it just gets nice and beautiful as it was the day we bought it. If you have scratches, unfortunate scratches on your stainless steel, something about the oil, it gets in and it masks it. You don't see the scratches, you don't see the wear. Here's a little area up here. I'm going to go over. I can see in the camera there's a little smudgy area up here above the light. Put a little bit more olive oil on it. Okay. There, as I go through it. And you can actually see Look at that. That little smudgy little business up there. Gone. That's it. So olive oil, you can get cheap olive oil, 99-cent store, whatever. There, I mean, I don't want you to use your premium olive oil to do this, but it's something about it. It's just, this is gorgeous. It's so simple, and it took no time at all. So when the holidays, when everyone's in your kitchen and you're looking at those water spots, fingerprints, whatever it is, you don't need to be embarrassed. Just grab a nice soft cloth, get you some olive oil, and go to town. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Leave comments down below. If you tried this with a different oil, that's fine. Let me know all about it, because I love new things. So I hope this was helpful.